Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on joining a virtual library seminar session. You will have received an email that will look something like this. It will have your course name, the date, and the time of your seminar's session. All times are in the Central Time Zone or Chicago, Illinois time. You also will be provided the meeting number or access code and the meeting password. These are provided in case you are required to log on to your seminar session. The blue Add to Calendar button allows you to add your seminar's information to your Outlook calendar. When it is time, click on Join the Meeting. You can join by phone by dialing the number provided. If you are having difficulty joining your seminar session, you can click on Can't Join the Meeting to receive technical assistance. To join your seminar, click on Join the Meeting. This will bring you to the login screen where you will type in your name, and your email address. Then click on the green Join button. If you are using WebEx for the very first time, you may see a screen that looks something like this. Follow the instructions on the screen to initialize your computer to receive the software. WebEx will work best on Google Chrome, but it will also work with Explorer, Firefox, and Safari. You are now starting your WebEx connection and logging in. When you are logged in, you should see your audio and video connection screen. This will allow you to connect by phone or calling in by computer. You can also choose to add your video at this time. You'll notice that when you use call by computer, it will give you your headset and microphone options. Then click on Connect Audio. You are now fully connected to the virtual library seminar. At the bottom, you'll see a set of circles. These circles are your meeting controls. The far left one is your mute button that you'll use to turn on or turn off your microphone. The button that looks like a little call out next to the blue one is your chat button. You can use that to send or receive messages. The red circle is your leave meeting button. Up at the top you may see a toolbar. If you click on File, you can click on Leave Meeting. You can also go to the Audio tab to check your audio connections. The audio connection feature will allow you to see whether or not you are connected. If you click on the computer audio settings, you can then test your audio connections for sound through your headset or speakers or for your microphone. On the right, you'll see a listing of your participants. Now, in the top right corner of the presenter's screen view, you'll see a little icon that allows you to change the view of your presenter's screen. You'll see a little in-screen feature that is the video feed from the virtual librarian. Click on the little down arrow to minimize this feature. You can then drag it down so that it is out of your way and you don't need to look at it anymore. To leave the meeting, just click on the red circle and then click on Leave Meeting. And you're finished.